using Niacinamide Pure Serum. Not sponsored by them. But I see a lot of people using it. Why not I try it? Yeah. Little bit of fine lines here, but it's not worrying me. So, bye na. Thank you guys. Alright. Could be really useful this for me. And more stuff here that I used, all my paraphernalia that I need, all my pagwapa and everything. This is the soup that I tell you that I already opened. This is the second time I open up. One packet finished. That's only 5 in one packet, by the way. This is the second packet now. Okay. This is the soup. Beauty white soup, guys. That's it. With micro peeling and 10 times power whitening. And you have a sea buckthorn with snail extracts. Don't worry, that snail is clean. So it's probably laboratory snails. 5 pieces with 70 grams each. So this is 70 grams each. You Glow Babe. Okay. See, that's the soap that I've been using, and I show you. See how small that 70 grams. It kind of really rip up, but oh well. We are too far from Pinas, so we as well buy it. That's the one here. And since I'm using it, it's for pagwapa. Make it even whiten my skin in the even tone. Not very white, but just even tone. So first time I'm gonna try this niacinamide, okay? Pure serum. I mean niacinamide, okay? And the soup is here. That's a papaya soup I used. See, it's a bigger one. I love them. And the second one I use now with the 2 months. Coming 2 months this February is this You Glow Babe soup. You Glow Babe for 70 grams only. I can't wait to use the niacinamide tonight. Almost gonna go, guys. So I'm just put that there. So I'm gonna read what's happening before I'm going to chop the boxes. There must be some leaking in this tub. Every time used, look, gonna get some leaking here, goes here, and then water all over. Anyway, all right. I can wait for you later on. Niacinamide Pure Serum. I'll let you know later, guys, what happened in weeks or so after I use this. For sure, the sabon soup like this, You Glow Babe. It's white in my, see? It's white in my underarm a bit. I'm not black. I'm just, my skin is just fair skin. So if you got tiny bit brown, it's good. If you got bit white, see? See? That's it. I really guarantee this one. I use it and show it to anybody that you can use it too. Ladies and gents, I guess. You can use it, gents, as well. If you got a little bit like slightly because of the weather, like you got slightly kurikong or you got slightly itches because of your sensitive skin. I got it in my thighs. I think from the manok of the neighborhood here when we move in, and it's itching my skin. Probably one of the chicken mites, and it got me itching my ground area here where my thighs. And then when I use this month later, it's dying on me and it's good. So I really recommend this to anybody. If you want to whiten your skin, go ahead. Yeah. Okay. That's it, guys. You can put it back. Let's see. Hey, baby.